So, from what I understand, you're wanting to set up your lights around your patio. The outlet is here, and you want lights to go along each blue dotted line. So, my suggestion is to plug in your lights here and then to first start at this point. I don't think it's possible to not overlap at all, but if you first start by going up to this point and then go all the way across to the farthest point, then come down and hook at this point, and then back up to the middle point and back down. Then lastly, cross over this direction. Then you would have to overlap, but you can overlap just on this smallest length here that you would overlap right here, and then finish out going this way. And I think that covers everything. So yeah, I don't think that it's possible to not overlap at all, but if you wanted to overlap as little as possible, then this would be the smallest length. Either this length or this length would be the smaller lengths to overlap, where it's unavoidable to overlap. So I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see what I can do. Thanks for watching.